Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to Dash of Amy. Today I'm going to share with you a delicious casserole recipe. It's hash brown casserole, and it is the most rich and delicious and tasty casserole that you'll ever eat. I realized when I tried it for the first time not so long ago that it was my favorite breakfast food by far. So it's a must make, and it's super easy, a few basic ingredients, and you mix it all together in a bowl and pop it in the oven. I'm going to be adding some turkey bacon to this one to kind of kick it up a little bit. So do stay tuned. It's going to be a very short video, and I hope you'll watch to the end and share with your friends. Let's start with a big mixing bowl, and to that you're going to add 1 cup of finely chopped onion. I used white onion. And to that you're going to add a can of cream of chicken soup. Lots of different brands. This one is the Campbell's. It works great in the recipe. Adds a nice element of creaminess. All right. All right, I've melted 1 stick of butter. Like I said, it's rich. It's not low cal, but you know, a small piece will do you good. Everything in moderation. Okay. Next is 1 cup of sour cream. Even more creaminess. Okay, I'm eyeballing. Okay, I'm gonna get that stuff mixed around. Okay, next is salt. I'm gonna put a teaspoon. And half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I have a 26-ounce bag of shredded hash browns that you can thaw a little bit, just makes it easier to mix. And the whole thing goes in. I mean, you could even shred your own potatoes for this, honestly. So you want to get this well mixed. And it definitely helps if you can thaw it a little bit, even if it's just 30 minutes, so that the potatoes aren't like frozen and stuck together. Okay, I'm going to put 2 different cheeses. I'm going to put a half a cup of mozzarella. Half a cup of cheddar. You can shred your own or buy it shredded. I'm going to save some cheddar for the top for when we bake it. By the way, oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And like, you gotta love recipes where you just throw everything in a bowl, mix it and bake it, and the flavor is just beyond measure. So I cooked 4 pieces of turkey bacon. You can use any bacon, you can use no bacon. If you want to do vegetarian, you can use vegetarian bacon. There are so many options now for vegetarians and vegans, it's crazy. So you could either chop this in a food processor so it's really, really fine. I'm just going to cut it into smallish pieces. Okay, those are cut pretty small. Then you go ahead and add that, and now give it 1 good final mix. All right, and then I have a baking dish. I'm gonna give it a spray of some cooking spray so that it doesn't stick. And go ahead and pour the casserole in. Okay, flatten it down with the back of a spoon. Get it nice and even. Can't wait to eat it. Okay, and then maybe another half a cup or so of some shredded cheddar over the top. I mean, you can get really creative and kind of like change it up with different cheeses. and I'm sure that it would still be amazing. Okay, so this goes in a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes uncovered, and then that's it. Cut it, serve it. It's amazing. Okay, you saw how simple it is to make hash brown casserole, so I hope that you will give it a try. I think your kids will love it if you have kids. And thank you, Casey, for sharing such a great recipe. Please share this video with your friends, hit the like button, and have a wonderful day.